It's no secret that the Jewish community is often highlighted for its disproportionate number of successful entrepreneurs, investors, and financially savvy individuals. But what lies beneath these achievements? The Jewish culture, rich in traditions and history, holds invaluable lessons on wealth accumulation, business acumen, and financial management. These lessons are not just the result of historical circumstances, but are deeply embedded in a way of life that prioritizes education, strategic investment, entrepreneurship, and a strong sense of community. The intriguing part? These principles are universally applicable, offering a blueprint for financial success that can inspire and guide anyone willing to learn and apply them. Imagine mastering the art of making wise financial decisions, growing your wealth, and not just achieving financial security for yourself, but also being able to contribute significantly to the well-being of your community. The secrets to achieving this level of success are more accessible than you might think. By exploring and understanding the financial habits and wisdom deeply rooted in Jewish culture, you can adopt these practices into your own life regardless of your cultural background. The financial acumen attributed to the Jewish community is not an overnight phenomenon, but a product of centuries of adaptation and resilience. Historically, Jewish people faced numerous restrictions across Europe and other parts of the world, including bans on owning land and limitations on the professions they could enter. These constraints necessitated a shift towards trades and occupations that required minimal physical assets such as commerce, lending, and various forms of entrepreneurship. This challenging backdrop fostered a culture that deeply values education, financial literacy, and community support. The emphasis on learning and self-improvement became a cornerstone of Jewish life, ensuring that successive generations would possess the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate and thrive in often hostile environments. Moreover, the traditional Jewish emphasis on debate and analytical thinking, encouraged from a young age, has honed critical thinking skills that are invaluable in business and finance. Jewish religious and ethical teachings also contribute significantly to this culture of financial prudence. Texts like the Talmud offer wisdom on money management, emphasizing the importance of saving, investing wisely, and avoiding debt. Furthermore, the concept of tzedakah, or charity, ingrains the idea of giving back to the community, reinforcing the interconnectedness between personal success and communal well-being. These historical and cultural factors have culminated in a robust set of values and practices that underpin the financial successes witnessed within Jewish communities. By understanding this context, we can appreciate the depth and breadth of the financial principles that have supported generations in achieving and sustaining wealth. The financial wisdom embedded in Jewish culture is built upon several key principles that have universal appeal and application. These principles, deeply interwoven with the community's historical experiences and ethical teachings, offer a blueprint for anyone seeking financial success. Education and lifelong learning. Jewish tradition places a high value on education and the pursuit of knowledge. This principle extends beyond formal education to encompass a lifelong commitment to learning, including financial literacy. The culture encourages asking questions, seeking answers, and continuously expanding one's understanding, which is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Saving and investing wisely. Financial prudence is another cornerstone, with teachings that stress the importance of saving and avoiding debt. Jewish wisdom advocates for living within one's means and investing with foresight. The community's history of dealing with economic uncertainty has underscored the value of preparing for the future. Through wise investment strategies, entrepreneurial spirit, encouragement towards entrepreneurship, and business acumen is prevalent within Jewish teachings. The community's history of restricted employment opportunities led to a focus on self-reliance and innovation, principles that continue to inspire budding entrepreneurs today. Community and networking. The concept of community is integral to Jewish life, including the financial aspect. Building strong networks and supporting fellow community members are seen as vital to individual and collective success. This extends to business relationships and philanthropy, emphasizing the strength found in mutual support. Philanthropy. Tzedakah, or charity, is not just about giving back, but is considered a duty and a pillar of financial wisdom. It teaches the importance of sharing prosperity, reinforcing the connection between personal wealth and the well-being of the broader community. These principles, rooted in centuries of tradition and experience, offer timeless guidance for achieving financial well-being and success. Applying the financial principles learned from Jewish culture into your life can transform your approach to wealth creation and management. Here are practical steps to incorporate these time-honored strategies. Embrace education. Make a commitment to lifelong learning, particularly in financial literacy. Read books, take courses, and attend seminars that expand your knowledge on managing finances, investing, and entrepreneurship. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Cultivate financial prudence. Adopt the habit of living within your means and prioritizing savings. Start by creating a budget that includes savings goals and stick to it. Consider investments that align with your long-term financial objectives and always seek advice from trusted financial advisors. Foster an entrepreneurial mindset. Look for opportunities to create value and innovate, whether in your current job or through starting your own venture. Embrace risks thoughtfully, learning from both successes and failures. The entrepreneurial spirit is about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. Build your community. Invest time in building strong, supportive networks. This can be achieved by joining professional associations, community groups, or online forums related to your interests and career. Networking is not just about receiving support. It's also about giving back and helping others. Practice philanthropy. Incorporate giving into your financial planning. Decide on a percentage of your income that you can comfortably donate to causes you care about. Philanthropy enriches your life, providing perspective on your financial success and fostering a sense of community and purpose. By integrating these principles into your daily life, you can embark on a path toward financial stability and success, inspired by centuries of wisdom and practical experience.